perfume so fine, rose red ribbons traced with shine. Salt and thyme make gold from bone. One thin slice, I'm not alone. You come from hills and no stone air, from patient hands that know how to care. I lift you up, you disappear, then I want you back right here. Oh, the knife sings clean, and the fat melts sweet. One taste, then I'm gone, right off my feet. Iberico ham, Spanish and proud, I'm a hungry man. Iberico ham, one little bite and I understand. Oh, Iberico ham, so rich, so grand. Hey! You taste like sun on a market day, like old town steps in a narrow lane. A little sweet, a little salt, every slow cured cut my heart goes soft. With olives near and bread so warm, you steal the scene, you steal the form. No need to rush, no need to shout, you're the kind of joy I brag about. Oh, the fat runs bright and the flavor stays long after the plate has slipped away. To the tray, you turn a simple knife